So we are doing our awarding ceremony for Muslim Division. Pwede po ba? Stop muna po natin yung mga nag-shootings. Kuya, wala ka na magpapansin. Ayan. Alright. And at this point of time, once again, congratulations to all of our winners. And this will be our finals para sa ating SK Summer League 2025. At this point of time, I'd like to invite all of our SKs together with our kapitan para po sa ating awarding sa ating Mosquito Division. Unahin na po natin our Medical 5 para sa ating Mosquito Division at Merit the Citation Certificate of Excellence Medical 5 Mosquito Division. This certificate is proudly presented to our Medical 5 in recognition of their exceptional performance and invaluable contribution as one of the Medical 5 in the Mosquito Division of the SK1 Unity Cup 2025. Kalataungan Conference Board Kalataungan Kito Bulacan, awarded on October 24, 2025, celebrating honor, dedication, hard work, and talent that he has shown throughout this season. Signed by SK Chairman Honorable Raja Asino and Honorable John Vincent JDC Committee and Sports. Our Medical 5, pag tinawag po ang inyong mga pangalan, pumunta po, bigyan mo natin ang isang malasang palakpakan. Yael Byron Estrella!
Balik sigurado na eh, kahit mo na. Number 1 ang malis eh. Ito ko nagbalis sa magala.
Sunod naman po para sa ating Medical 5 na lang po natin, Ricky Palala! Next, from our Medical 5, let's give it up for Silas Nibalan! Grabe na iyak siya, palakpakan naman natin, di ba? Kasi di ba, hindi biro ang mabilang po sa Medical 5. Talagang pinaghihirapan po nila to. Kaya naman, they deserve a round of applause from our audience. Talaga naman ang ating mga players ay talaga naman pinaghihirapan nila ito. Tugon pawis ang kinalangan ni Alay dito para sa ating Unity Cup 2025. Maraming salamat! Next, we have Kian Bacalino! Naiyak si Kian. Ito ba yan? Tears of joy daw po yan. Grabe. Abangan pa natin sila next year, no? Kasi